Hey folks, it's a beautiful day, so we're going to go move some snow. Seems to be a pretty common thing we do around here lately. So yeah, this is my CK2510, good little tractor, Kioti, with snowblower on the back. And I got a snow pusher on the front. Works really good for what we do around here. Takes me a couple hours to do our driveway and an area around our house, and then I do the neighbors across the street too. They have camp there. They don't use too often, so I keep it open for them. But we're going to do a little maintenance first, show you what I do to get ready for the day. So here we go. So I'm going to start by doing some greasing, all the fittings for the bucket and the loader and everything. So I use Lucas oil products. It's a red and tacky grease, they call it. It works really good. I really like it anyway. And so yeah, we'll get started on that. So I'll do this side, then I'll go around to the other side. Takes a little bit. So once both sides are done, I just go around and clean up all the excess that came out. Some of it's not going in very good, so might have some bad fittings, but we'll fix that another time. The grease is getting in there. So this is the Meteor 60-inch pull behind forward facing blower. So you drive over the snow first. Sales guy sold me on this. I wasn't sure about it, but I really like it. It works really good for what I do. You can back right up to doors, scrape it back, so you don't have to worry about shoveling out those tight areas to get into. So yeah. So there's a couple grease fittings on here. This one's buried in the snow. So right in here, see that down there, another grease fitting there. Clean that up a little bit better. And then I always put some grease on the chain too. So we'll get those done. There's one bearing on this side and one on the other side. Just get a brush, clean that up a little bit better so I can get in there. This one's a little harder to get to, but again, I just pump it until I see it coming out the bearing a little bit. I know it's full. Then I'll just put some on the chain. I know there's chain lube you can use, but yeah, I just go with the grease. Works. Turn this by hand. I don't do this every time I take the tractor out. I take probably every fourth or fifth time, I guess. Usually gauge it by this chain. When I start to see the chain looking kind of dry, then I just grease everything. And again, this is just the way I do it. Maybe better ways to do it, different ways to do it. Everybody's got their own way. This is the way I do it. It's always worked for me. So I'll just keep going around that until the whole chain's done. Okay, next we're just going to check the oil. And the engine oil for starters. You can see that. It's good. A little high actually, but it's all good. And then I'm going to check the hydraulic oil. This sometimes goes a little bit, looks a little low until after I run it and it warms up. I think it's just on the edge, and then once the oil expands a little bit, it's good to go. I don't usually add any because then after it warms up, there's too much, it seems. So that's that. And then next, I think that's it. I'll just give it a quick look over. I always just check all the connections real quick. Okay, everything's that drive shaft too. I do grease the universals on that. Usually once or twice a year. It's pretty tough to get at. It's a bit of a pain, so. But I do grease it. Make sure those stay greased. Usually grease them at the beginning of the year and then about halfway through. And that's usually good enough. Get the door open. This baby fired up and get her warmed up. Okay, and so to start it, there's a coil in there that heats it up inside the piston area. So we'll turn that on. Hold that for about 10 seconds. You can see on the gauges there, shows that the coil's on. That's good. And then I just turn the key on until everything comes up to get the pressure system pressurized. Push the clutch in and there it goes. I will let her warm up for about 10 minutes. Okay, so it's about minus 20 degrees Celsius here. I think that's around minus 4 or 5 Fahrenheit. So I usually dress pretty warm. I got a t-shirt and then I got a wool pull-up, or what do you want to call it? Pullover. And I have my hunting jacket underneath there. And then I got my waterproof hunting jacket over that. And I got a hat on. And put this one on. Pull the hoodie over that so the snow doesn't go down the back of my neck. Put my face covering on. Oh, I gotta wait till I get out there. My glasses will fog up. And I got these heavy duty leather gloves that I wear. These are really good too. And I got insulated pants, my Baffin boots, best boots you'll ever find. Keep my feet super toasty, and I just got regular socks on. Never have a problem. My feet are never cold with those. Yeah, so tractor's warmed up. We'll get at her. removal day done. I don't normally keep it heated in this part of the garage, but I think today I'm going to keep this door open and let this old girl, well, she ain't old I guess, but let her thaw out a bit. Some of the grease fittings are frozen, I couldn't get grease into them, so we'll let her thaw out and go back over next time. Okay, so that's it. Snow day. A beautiful day though. So if you have any questions about anything, snow, the tractor, garage, anything, leave them in the comments and I'll be glad to answer them. Have a great day.